DK Metcalf is a freak of nature. The 6'4", 229-pound receiver showed his unique ability Sunday night, but not in the usual way a wideout would display his talents. It wasn't a posterization, a mossing, or a ridiculous sideline catch.
No. Metcalf made the world marvel at his talents by making a tackle. Midway through the second quarter, with the Seattle Seahawks closing in on a touchdown at the 3-yard line, Russell Wilson was intercepted by Arizona Cardinals safety Budda Baker.
That's when the chase began. Baker, who ran a 4.45-second 40-yard dash during his NFL Combine workouts, streaked down the sideline. Metcalf showed the difference between 4.4 speed and 4.33 speed. The wideout stalked Baker from yards behind and finally dragged the Cardinals safety down short of the goal line.
"I was running, and next thing you know, I see Big 14 coming after me," Baker said after the game, via the Seahawks official team website. "He got me. That's the first time I've ever been hawked in my entire life."